मेरा नाम प्रिया है। My name is Priya. My name is Priya. आपकी आयु कितनी है? How old are you? How old are you? मैं 15 साल का हूँ। I am 15 years old. I am 15 years old. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैं भारत से हूँ। I am from India. I am from India. आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ। I am a teacher. I am a teacher. मैं एक छात्र हूँ। I am a student. I am a student. आज आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? मैं आज दुखी महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling sad today. I am feeling sad today. समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? अभी 9 बजे हैं। It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. आज मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather today? How is the weather today? आज का मौसम बरसाती है। The weather is rainy today. The weather is rainy today. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? हाँ, मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ। Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? हाँ, मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ। Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. नज़दीकी बैंक कहाँ है? Where is the nearest bank? Where is the nearest bank? सबसे नज़दीकी बैंक बाजार में है। The nearest bank is located at the market. The nearest bank is located at the market. आपका पसंदीदा शौक क्या है? What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? मेरा पसंदीदा शौक किताबें पढ़ना है। My favorite hobby is reading books. My favorite hobby is reading books. क्या आप अपने बारे में मुझे बता सकते हैं? Can you tell me about yourself? Can you tell me about yourself? हाँ, मैं एक छात्र हूँ। Sure, I am a student. Sure, I am a student. आपका पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? मेरा पसंदीदा खाना पिज़्ज़ा है। My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. क्या आप इसे दोहरा सकते हैं? Can you repeat that please? Can you repeat that please? हाँ, मैं वो दोहराऊंगा। Sure, I'll repeat that. Sure, I'll repeat that. क्या आपका कोई सगा भाई बहन है? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? हाँ, मेरे 2 भाई बहन हैं। Yes, I have 2 siblings. Yes, I have 2 siblings. आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? मेरा पसंदीदा रंग लाल है। My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद। I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? हाँ, मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ। Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? हाँ, बिल्कुल। Yes, of course. Yes, of course. आपने कल क्या किया? What did you do yesterday? What did you do? कल मैंने एक मूवी देखी। Yesterday I watched a movie. Yesterday I watched a movie. आप पिछले वीकेंड कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go last weekend? Where did you go last weekend? पिछले वीकेंड में गोवा गया था। Last weekend I went to Goa. Last weekend I went to Goa. आपके शौक क्या हैं? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? मेरा शौक ड्राइंग है। My hobby is drawing. My hobby is drawing. क्या आपके कोई भाई बहन है? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? हाँ, मेरे 3 भाई बहन हैं। Yes, I have 3 siblings. Yes, I have 3 siblings. क्या आप खाना बना सकते हैं? Can you cook? Can you cook? हाँ, मैं खाना पका सकता हूँ। Yes, I can cook. Yes, I can cook. आपकी पसंदीदा फिल्म कौन सी है? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? मेरी पसंदीदा फिल्म जादू है। My favorite movie is जादू। My favorite movie is जादू। क्या आपको यात्रा करना पसंद है? Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? हाँ, मुझे यात्रा करना पसंद है। Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling. क्या आप कभी विदेश गए हैं? Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad? हाँ, मैं USA गया हूँ। Yes, I have been to USA. Yes, I have been to USA. आपका पसंदीदा मौसम कौन सा है? What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season? मेरा पसंदीदा मौसम सर्दी का है। My favorite season is winter. My favorite season is winter. आप काम पर कैसे जाते हैं? How do you go to work? How do you go to work? मैं साइकिल से जाता हूँ। I go to by bicycle. I go to by bicycle. आप कितने बजे उठते हैं? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? मैं 5 बजे उठता हूँ। I wake up at 5 a.m. I wake up at 5 a.m. आप किस समय बिस्तर पर जाते हैं? मतलब आप किस समय सोते हैं? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? मैं 9 बजे सोता हूँ। I go to bed at 9 p.m. I go to bed at 9 p.m. क्या आपको खेल पसंद है? डू यू लाइक स्पोर्ट्स? डू यू लाइक स्पोर्ट्स? हाँ, मुझे खेलना पसंद है. Yes, I enjoy playing sports. Yes, I enjoy playing sports. आपका पसंदीदा खेल कौन सा है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? मेरा पसंदीदा खेल फुटबॉल है. My favorite sport is football. My favorite sport is football. आपकी पसंदीदा पुस्तक कौन सी है? What is your favorite book? What is your favorite book? मेरी पसंदीदा बुक मेरी माँ है. My favorite book is मेरी माँ. My favorite book is मेरी माँ. क्या आपके पास कोई पालतू जानवर है? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? हाँ, मेरे पास एक पालतू कुत्ता है. Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. आपने नाश्ते में क्या खाया? What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? मैंने नाश्ते में आलू का पराठा खाया था. For breakfast, I had potato stuffed paratha. For breakfast, I had potato stuffed paratha. आप सुबह कितने बजे उठते हैं? What time do you wake up in the morning? What time do you wake up in the morning? मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I wake up at 6 in the morning. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? वो कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? क्या मैं आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? तुम्हें ये पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? खाना तैयार है. Food is ready. Food is ready. मैं चला जाऊंगा. I will leave. I will leave. वो मेरा दोस्त है. He is my friend. He is my friend. वो यहाँ नहीं है. She is not here. She is not here. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. I am very happy. I am very happy. आज मौसम अच्छा है. The weather is good. The weather is good. क्या तुमने खाया? Did you eat? Did you eat? वो बहुत सुंदर है. It is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? उसे यहाँ लाओ. Bring him here. Bring him here. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मैंने तुम्हें बुलाया. I called you. I called you. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है? हाउ इज योर हेल्थ? हाउ इज योर हेल्थ? अब मुझे चलना है। आई मस्ट गो नाउ। आई मस्ट गो नाउ। ये किसका फोन है? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? कृपया पानी लाओ। Please bring water. Please bring water. मुझे शोर पसंद नहीं। I dislike the noise. I dislike the noise. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? ये बहुत भारी है। It is very heavy. It is very heavy. मेरी घड़ी खो गई। My watch is lost. My watch is lost. क्या तुम थके हो? Are you tired? Are you tired? वो घर पर है। He is at home. He is at home. मुझे उससे बात करनी है। I need to talk to her. I need to talk to her. वो अभी आया। He just arrived. He just arrived. खाना ठंडा हो गया। The food got cold. The food got cold. मुझे तुमसे प्यार है। I love you. I love you. कृपया यहाँ आइए। Please come here. Please come here. उसने कॉल किया। She made a call. She made a call. ये बहुत पुराना है। This is very old. This is very old. मैं रोज जाता हूँ। I go daily. I go daily. मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है। I need you. I need you. वो खेल रहा है। He is playing. He is playing. मेरी चाबियां कहाँ हैं? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? वो कब आई? When did she come? When did she come? मुझे ये मत कहो। Don't tell me this. Don't tell me this. क्या तुम पढ़ रहे हो? Are you reading? Are you reading? मेरा फोन बजा। My phone rang. My phone rang. तुम्हें वहां जाना है। You have to go there. You have to go there. कृपया दरवाजा बंद करो। Please close the door. Please close the door. उसे ये भेजो। Send this to him. Send this to him. मुझे बाहर जाना है। I need to go outside. I need to go outside. तुम कैसे आए? How did you come? How did you come? वो सो रहा है। He is sleeping. He is sleeping. तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? ये मेरे लिए है. This is for me. This is for me. वो बहुत छोटा है. It is too small. It is too small. तुम्हारा दोस्त कहाँ है? Where is your friend? Where is your friend? मुझे और चाहिए. I want more. I want more. क्या ये भारी है? Is it heavy? Is it heavy? मेरी किताब वहाँ है. My book is there. My book is there. कृपया जल्दी करो. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. उसे ये मत दो. Don't give this to him. Don't give this to him. मुझे वो चाहिए. I want that. I want that. तुम क्या करोगे? What will you do? What will you do? क्या तुम आए? Did you come? Did you come? मैं जा रहा हूं. I am going. I am going. ये रहा तुम्हारा बैग. Here is your bag. Here is your bag. कृपया इधर देखो. Please look here. Please look here. उसने मुझे बुलाया. He called me. He called me. ये ठीक होगा. It will be okay. It will be okay. तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? उसे मेरी मदद चाहिए. She needs my help. She needs my help. तुम्हारा नंबर क्या है? What is your number? What is your number? मुझे वहां जाना होगा. I must go there. I must go there. ये खिड़की खोलो. Open this window. Open this window. वो बहुत अच्छा है. He is very nice. He is very nice. वो मेरी बहन है. She is my sister. She is my sister. ये मेरा काम नहीं. This is not my job. This is not my job. क्या तुम सहमत हो? Do you agree? Do you agree? मुझे ये सुनना है. I need to hear this. I need to hear this. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where did you live? Where did you live? वो मेरा घर है. That is my house. That is my house. ये बहुत दूर है. It is too far. It is too far. आप यहाँ से हैं? Are you from here? Are you from here? कृपया मेरी मदद करें. Please help me. प्लीज हेल्प मी। मुझे वो पसंद है। आई लाइक दैट। आई लाइक दैट। क्या ये सही है? इज दिस राइट? इज दिस राइट? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? वेयर डू यू लिव? वेयर डू यू लिव? मुझे आराम करना है। आई नीड टू रेस्ट। आई नीड टू रेस्ट। ये मेरी गलती थी। इट वॉज माई मिस्टेक। इट वॉज माई मिस्टेक। तुमने क्या किया? वट डिड यू डू? वट डिड यू डू? वो कितना सुंदर है। हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट इज। हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट इज। मुझे अब चलना होगा। आई मस्ट गो नाउ। आई मस्ट गो नाउ। ये मेरी कुर्सी है। दिस इज माई चेयर। दिस इज माई चेयर। उसने मुझे देखा। He looked at me. He looked at me. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? वो मेरी माँ है। She is my mother. She is my mother. कृपया यहाँ आओ। Please come here. Please come here. वो बहुत शांत है। It is very quiet. It is very quiet. मुझे नहीं पता था। I did not know. I did not know. वो मेरा भाई है। He is my brother. He is my brother. क्या आप समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? तुम यहाँ कब आए? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? मुझे ये मत कहो। Don't tell me this. Don't tell me this. वो कितना छोटा है। How small it is. How small it is. क्या वो तैयार है? Is it ready? Is it ready? तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? मैं जल्दी में हूं। I am in hurry. I am in hurry. ये मेरा फैसला है। This is my decision. This is my decision. उसे यहाँ बुलाओ। Call him here. Call him here. क्या तुम सुन सकते हो? Can you hear? Can you hear? मैं बाद में आऊंगा। I will come later. I will come later. ये बहुत मजेदार है। This is very funny. This is very funny. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे ये पसंद आया। I liked this. I liked this. क्या वो बिका? Did it sell? Did it sell? ये मेरे लिए है. This is for me. This is for me. कृपया ध्यान से चलो. Please walk carefully. Please walk carefully. वो बहुत लंबा है. He is very tall. He is very tall. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? मुझे वहां जाना है. I have to go there. I have to go there. तुम्हारा फोन कहाँ है? Where is your phone? Where is your phone? क्या तुम्हें प्यास लगी है? Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. उसे यहां मत लाओ. Don't bring him here. Don't bring him here. वो बहुत स्मार्ट है. She is very smart. She is very smart. कृपया यहां रुको. Please stop here. Please stop here. ये बहुत भारी है. It is too heavy. It is too heavy. मुझे अब जाना है. I must go now. I must go now. क्या आप खाना चाहोगे? Would you like to food? Would you like to food? मुझे वो चाहिए नहीं. I don't want that. I don't want that. ये कहाँ से मिला? Where did you find this? Where did you find this? कृपया दरवाजा खोलो. Please open the door. Please open the door. मुझे पानी चाहिए. I need water. I need water. तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? अब मुझे जाना है. I must go now. I must go now. तुम्हें धन्यवाद कहना है. You must say thanks. You must say thanks. मुझे उससे मिलाओ. Let me meet him. Let me meet him. वो मेरी किताब है. That is my book. That is my book. क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? बस एक मिनट. Just a minute. Just a minute. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. मैं तैयार हूं. I am ready. I am ready. क्या वो आया? Did he come? Did he come? मुझे वो मत दो. Don't give me that. Don't give me that. कृपया यहाँ बैठो. Please sit here. प्लीज सिट हियर.